Ready? Oh! Brian and Mort. Oh! Oh!
Scott's house called. Take one. Take one.
Budget's good. Then eat to bite. We're gonna cook up. Me and Barb don't love that. I almost ran into a wall. Oh, too little. Oh!
These are called bolas.
Bolas.
B-O-L-A.
Like Ebolas?
Yes, exactly like that.
Too much. What are you doing in there? What are you doing?
You don't have anything in your pockets, do you?
I have my phone, but it should be fine.
Your phone! Your phone!
Step away from me, lady! You're making me nervous. Oh, Ma! Don't look. I don't want you copying. This is a trademark move right now. Oh.
Okay, that's just Velcro.
By the time you're 12, you're pretty much an adult, sophisticated and everything, right?
Well, Joe's 12 and he's not sophisticated.
We get to keep Scotland! I don't know who I'm talking to. Stay with him.
Sorry.
You're not
Do I
married to
have
me.
to?
How many tickles does it take to make an octopus laugh?
I don't know.
Tentacles. Because curb appeal is a big deal.
Oh, that's right.
In return for the reveal, I'm gonna get a meal.
There's four.
And that rhyme was real.
Nobody touch me. Get the shot you need now. Get the shot you need.
Okay.
I need some privacy because I'm gonna get changed. And then you're in here, and you don't realize that they can still see you a little bit. What's that?
You're gonna make a leaf like that.
Oh, those are neat.
Do you want to put a leaf on, or you're like not into it?
I might leaf it alone. Right?
Hit, swing and miss.
Stop! It's in his hand.
You don't want to bring it into the middle because the whole point is that it looks like the center of the rose.
Thanks for telling me now.
We'll see how I did for.
It's garbage, throw it out.